Everyone, my name is Mansi Chaudhary and I am from class 8C. I am here to tell you about my art integration project, subject history, topic find out information about popular forts of Maharashtra. So do you know there how many forts are there in Maharashtra? Do you have some information about it? So today I am going to tell you about some short information on forts of Maharashtra. The literal meaning of Maharashtra is the great nation, which is the land of Shivaji Maharaj. The land where you can still hear the echoes of the war fought and where you can witness the glorious past and rich culture of Marathas and the Mughals. Both empires created many pieces of architectural wonder that remained here to tell the story of bygone times. There are mainly 350 forts in Maharashtra that attract many architecture enthusiasm from different parts of the nation. So, some popular forts of Maharashtra. Some popular forts of Maharashtra are Lohagarh Fort, which is situated in Lonavala, Siaghad Fort, which is in Pune, Raigad Fort, which is in Raigad, Shaniwarwada Fort, which is in Pune, Panhal Fort, which is in Panhala Fort, which is in Panhal, Pratapgarh Fort, which is in Satara, Rajmachi Fort, which is in Pune, Torna Fort, which is in Pune, Vasota Fort, which is in Satara, Daulatabad Fort, which is in Aurangabad, Tinoka Fort, which is in Lonavala, Janjira Fort, which is in Murthar. So today I am going to tell you about two popular fort, which are Lohagarh Fort, which is situated in Lonavala, and Pratapgarh Fort, which is situated in Satara. So let's take a short information about Lohagarh Fort. Lohagarh Fort, which is situated in Lonavala, is also known as an Iron Fort. Lohagarh Fort is the one of the main hill forts in Maharashtra states in India, situated close to the hill station of Lonavala and 52 km 32 meter northwest of Pune. Lohagarh rises to an elevation of 1033 meter 3389 feet above the sea level. The fort is connected to the neighboring Visapur fort by a small range. The fort was under the Maratha Empire for the majority of the time, with a short period of a 5 year under the Mughal Empire. So now, history of Lohagarh Fort. So Lohagarh have a long history with several dynasties occupying it at a different period of time. Satavahanas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Yadavas, Brahmins, Nizams, Mughals and Marathas. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured it in 1648 AD, but it was forced to surrender it to a Mughals in 1665 AD by the territory of Purandar. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj recaptured the fort in 1670 AD and used it for keeping its treasuries. This fort was used to keep loot from Sutar. Later in Peshwa time, Nana Padnis used this fort for living for some time and built a structure such as a big tank and a step well. The Lohagarh fort also have caves on its southwest facing Lohagarh Wadi. Now this is my art integration project. I have made a sketch of Lohagarh fort. This is the front side of Lohagarh fort. Now we are going to see about Pratapgarh fort, which is situated in Satara. So Pratapgarh fort, literally Gwalior fort. It is a large fort located in Satara district in the western Indian state of Maharashtra. Significant as the site of the Battle of Pratapgarh, the fort is now a popular tourist destination. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had extended his kingdom on the banks of river Nira and Konyana. In order to safeguard this area of his kingdom, he felt need to have well-built fort. This fort is called as Pratapgarh Fort. As per the record in history, Pratapgarh Fort was built in the year 1657. Pratapgarh is situated at 8 km west of Mahabaleshwar in Javali Taluka of North Satara district. The fort is built on the mound named departed between Par and Kaineshwar town. So now some site information about this fort is that owner of this fort was Uday Bhanejar Bhosle. Then it was controlled by Maratha in 1656, 1818, United Kingdom, then East India Company in 1818 to 1857, then in India 1857 to 1947, and now India 1947. It was built in 1656, built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and battle as was Battle of Pratapgarh. Now this is the picture of Pratapgarh. The first picture shown, it is a Pratapgarh fort, and second one it is shown by a map wise that where Pratapgarh fort is situated. Now history of Pratapgarh fort. The Maharashtra king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj commissioned Moropant Trimac his prime minister, to undertake the construction of this fort in order to defend the banks of Neera and Konyana rivers. Pratapgarh continued to be involved in the regional politics. Sakharam Babu, well-known minister of Pune, was confined by his rival Nana Padnis in Pratapgarh in 1778. He was later moved from the fort until he died at Raigad. In 1796, Nana Padnis, while escaping from the triggers of Daulatrao Shinde and his minister Balarao, assembled strong garrisons in Pratapgarh before heading to Mahad in 1818 as a part of Third Anglo Maratha War. So this was about history and information about Pratapgarh fort, and this is my art integration project, drawing of Pratapgarh fort. So by doing this project I have so fun. I enjoyed this project. This is very easy and interesting way to get information about our different forts of Maharashtra, and I have get many information by doing this project, that when this fort was built, why it was built, who controlled it, and all such information I got it. The way of doing this project is very useful, and this is the easiest way to get information about our past. Thank you.